What's up guys, the time has arrived to take a look at the best of Oppo for 2022, the Find X5 Pro. This is Oppo's first flagship powered by Oppo's own NPU chip, the marisilicon X. Big thanks to Oppo for partnering with us and also sending this device. Now let's start off with the unboxing. We have a pretty standard looking box with the Find X5 Pro and Hasselblad branding. Opening up the box, we get some paperwork, a premium service benefit card with QR code, a whopping 80-watt fast charger inside the box with USB-C cable, and finally, the star of the show, the Find X5 Pro with a very interesting design. Taking a closer look, we have an organic curved design with a scratch-resistant ceramic back. I gotta say, it fits really good in hand and feels very premium. Now, I got some mixed opinions on this new camera design look. It's definitely unique compared to the competition, but let me know what you guys think about this in the comments section below. Now, the device is IP68 certified with Gorilla Glass Victus on both front and back. Now, looking at the front, we have a 6.8-inch billion color Bionic display. This is a 10-bit screen with 120Hz LTPO refresh rate technology along with a whopping 1000Hz touch sampling rate. In the first couple of days of usage, I gotta say the display is extremely color accurate with super slim bezels. This display is in line with what you can expect on a flagship phone in 2022. But what's really special and unique about Oppo's implementation is that it comes with O1 Ultra Vision engine, which basically upscales any 720p or 1080p footage to 4K, also combining it with HDR10, making the footage look really good, deepening the blacks and of course popping them colors. Now, just like the display, we have 10-bit camera system as well, powered by the all-new marisilicon X chip. This is a 6nm chip that is set to improve the night video performance, and it also captures HDR video in 20-bit, which is like the highest you can get on any flagship right now, and it's up to 4 times greater compared to the last generation. The night performance is looking promising, but we'll be taking a deeper look in the upcoming review video, so stay tuned. Now, once again, the camera hardware is looking impressive. I like that they went with 2 main 50 megapixel wide and ultra wide angle lenses, and Oppo promises that there won't be any difference in terms of the quality, which is pretty awesome. The main 50 megapixel sensor has 5-axis optical image stabilization, which is one of the first on any Android phones out there. I'm really excited to test this out. Now, we also have a 13 megapixel telephoto optical lens, so no periscope zoom on this phone. Now, on the front, we have a 32 megapixel RGBW sensor, which is set to produce better colors and texture thanks to the new marisilicon X chip. The camera hardware is looking exciting. Again, we'll take a deep dive in our review video. Now, under the hood, as expected, it's rocking a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip. It's here to give the top performance as expected. Now, to manage the heat, Oppo says that they have built a 75% larger vapor cooling chamber than the previous generation. Now, in my testing, the performance was really incredible. I haven't really noticed any heat, which only happened after like 35 to 40 minutes of continuous gaming. Again, nothing crazy. It's sort of in line with other Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 devices. Now, the Find X5 Pro brings a 5000 mAh battery with 80-watt charging. It can get 50% in just 12 minutes. We also have 50-watt wireless charging. This is like one of the fastest charging solutions we have out there on any flagship right now. Now, software-wise, we have Android 12 with Oppo's custom Color OS skin. I do like its colorful look along with the customization that's going on. The built-in theme engine is great. I really like the built-in gaming mode, which gives you tons of features like a built-in voice changer, performance metrics, plus other awesome things that would mean a lot to gamers out there. I gotta say, this Color OS has come a long way, but there are still some bloatware included. Like, out of the box, it doesn't look very clean, but the good thing is that everything is customizable. Now, overall, I gotta say the Find X5 Pro is looking solid. Look out for my full review and camera test coming out later. With that being said, let me know what you think about this new design of the Find X5 Pro. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.